Attorneys outraged at alleged rogue cops detention at the Jamaica Defense Force headquarters.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Justice Carol Lawrence Beswick has given investigators until Thursday, the 4th of July, to tell her why one of the two policemen charged in connection with April's fatal shooting in Chedwin Park, St. Catherine, is being held in custody at the Jamaica Defense Force's Up Park camp. This as a defense attorney is questioning the basis on which her client, alleged rogue cop Constable Ramon Scott, is being held by the military. Scott and his co-accused, Corporal Kirk Fraser, were arrested and charged for their alleged involvement in the April 28th shooting incident in Chedwin Park, St. Catherine, which led to the death of one member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and two civilians. The matter was set to return to court on Tuesday, July 2nd, but experienced a delay because Scott was not brought to court, after which it was revealed that he was being held at the JDF's headquarters. We were told that he was placed there for his security. I don't know who has made threats in relation to him. We had made no complaints to them that we were not satisfied as to where he was being kept. And obviously now that he has been at the JDF, the section that he's been placed in, he's not even supposed to be interacting even with persons who are in custody with him. So he is basically isolated. Attorney at law Althea Grant said, the persons who he can speak with are the persons who are guarding him. Let me make it very clear. I cannot say he has been ill-treated by anyone at the Jamaica Defense Force. They have tried to help in every way in terms of the requests that have been made of them. But what is very painfully obvious to me is that they are basically just keeping him. It is not a matter they have any involvement in. He is not a soldier. There is no connection between the Jamaica Defense Force and my client. Attorney at law Valerie Neita-Robertson, who is representing Fraser, said she was incensed. I am outraged and will not be gagged. In Jamaica, we have a constitution and we have a system of justice that we protect. No, Mr. Scott was not brought today because he is in custody at the JDF. They took him there, Neita-Robertson said. The Commissioner of Police, by letter, ordered that he be kept there. Now I am learning that there is somebody in custody with him who we suspect is placed there to try to urge Mr. Scott to speak about the case. Constable Ramon Scott and Corporal Kirk Fraser are charged with 3 counts of illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and 1 count each of murder, manslaughter and shooting with intent. Allegations are that shortly after midnight on April 28th, Fraser, Scott and a third policeman, identified as Corporal Ramon Williams, fatally shot St. Catherine resident Sheldon Daly, OC Junior Biggs, during a party at Chedwin Park, which is located on the outskirts of Spanish Town. They then fled the scene in a Nissan AD wagon motor car. According to reports, an off-duty policeman who witnessed the incident then chased the getaway car through the streets of the old capital, unaware that the men were his colleagues. The high-speed chase and gunfight ended when the Nissan motor car collided with another vehicle at the intersection of Brunswick Avenue and Job Lane. When the dust cleared, Williams and Kevron Burrell, a visitor to the island and who was a passenger in that car, were pronounced dead.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.